Hello user. Follow these steps to configure the Smart Vision Glasses Pro device using the QR code or by manual setup on your iPhone. After installing the Smart Vision Glasses Pro app, allow all the permissions and follow the guidance given by the app.
Please turn on your SVG device. Now turn on Bluetooth and hotspot on your mobile device.
First, turn on your Smart Vision Glasses Pro device and wait for 40 seconds. The device will enter pairing mode, which you'll know when it starts beeping 3 times continuously. While you're waiting, you can turn on the Bluetooth and hotspot on your iPhone. After that, the app asks you to configure the device either using the QR code or through manual setup. First, let me show you how to scan the QR code and configure the device. When you click on the Scan QR button in the app, it opens the camera on your iPhone to scan the QR code which is provided on the package box. A beep sound is given to let the user know that the scanning has been successful. After scanning the QR code, the app scans for the beeping device. Here, make sure that the device is beeping continuously when the app starts scanning. Once scanning is completed, the app asks you to fill the SSID and its password. If you don't know these credentials, go to your settings, then click on General, then click on About, and click on the name and note it down. Here, make note of the capital letters and also space between the words if there is any. To know the password, go back to Settings home page, click on the Personal Hotspot and note down the password. On this page, make sure to turn on the Maximize Compatibility. Then go back to the app, enter these details, click on Save, the device will get connected.
Smart Vision glasses connected successfully. Hello user, welcome to Smart Vision Pro.
When you scan the QR code, the app gets connected to a particular device. If you don't have the QR code, opt for manual setup.
Please turn on your SVG device. Now turn on Bluetooth and hotspot on your mobile device. Click Scan the QR on the package or manual setup to configure the manual
When you
setup.
click on the manual setup, the app starts scanning for the beeping device. After scanning, it asks you to enter the SSID and password. Enter them correctly and click on Save. The device will get connected to the app. Here, if you have more than one device, kindly turn on one device at a time, as there is a chance that the app can connect to
Your
another
credentials
beeping
saved
device.
successfully. Please turn on your hotspot.
Smart Vision glasses connected successfully. Hello user, welcome to Smart Vision Pro. Things around you.
Here, if you have more than one device, kindly turn on one device at a time, as there is a chance that the app can connect to another beeping device.
More options. Voice assist. More options. Things around you. Things around you activated.
Please wait, it's processing.
Next time onwards, you can open the app, turn on the device, and turn on the hotspot on your iPhone to connect the device.
Smart Vision glasses connected successfully. Hello user, welcome to Smart Vision Pro.